Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elise. Today I'll be showing you how I edit my video, so stay tuned. So the first things that we're going to do are, these are the apps I use and I'm editing on Vllo. We're going to open it up and create a video. You want to make sure it's a YouTube icon and press it to fit the screen. We're just going to go over to make sure these are the correct clips that we're using to create our video, and we're adding our intro and outro that we've done ahead of time, holding it down and moving it to the end. So that's our intro and outro done. Now as you make your video, as you go along and you see what footage you have, only you can tell yourself what bits you want your audience to see and what bits you want to keep. So this is something I'd have to keep doing throughout my whole video. Split a certain clip and split it again and delete it. Now in the video I was referencing natural konjac sponges that I got from Waitrose, so I just have to get the picture, crop it and put it in my video. And here we're just cutting the picture to size and we're going to put it in the video. And in this clip where I was brushing my teeth, it was too loud, so we're just going to put volume and put it down by like 70%. That should be okay. The next clip is me resizing the picture. Now just above the video there's a button called fit. I'm literally going to zoom in to see my facial expressions. Now in the next clip I really couldn't find like what area I wanted to zoom in, so I just had to keep playing around, and as you'll see I got there in the end. And I'm just adding a sound effect for more of a dramatic scene. Once you find the correct one that you're looking for, you're just going to pop it in and make sure it's at a low sound and make sure it's in the right place. The following clips are me just editing some more, and I had to reference another one, so I got another picture and popped it in the top left corner.
Overnight treatment. I'm not sure if you can see this. Oh, maybe you can now. This is
Now as you go along, what you're going to notice is the more you split and cut a video, the more it is in general. So right now we have about 40 clips altogether, and this section is just me adding stickers in the video. So at the start I'd put like and subscribe, and as well as at the end. This section is for my thumbnail. I use Everpix, and you just need to get the one that you like, that's most aesthetically pleasing. And this is what I came up with, some flowers, and this was my thumbnail, the before and after, as well as the title. I wanted something to pop on a white background, so I think I went for a black, no, just black. I just went for black. And this is Pixar, where I get all my stickers for my thumbnails, which is amazing. So I just grabbed the arrow, resize and put it in the middle, as well as others that talk about my video. So another face and another one. We're just going to pop that in the right hand corner, and this is me just doing my stickers like I said. Now when editing a video, please take your time. There's no rush, no one's telling you to hurry up. It's whatever you feel. It's not, oh, I'm going to take 5-10 minutes on this video, or I'm going to take 20 minutes editing. No, editing can take a couple hours or a couple days. I mean, for me, I'm more of a perfectionist. I'm not really at an editing you know, high enough level, but I know what looks good and what looks rushed, so just take your time. Here I'm just adding in music and making sure it's copyright free so you don't get any copyright claims. That's another thing when starting up, when you're making a YouTube channel, just want to make sure all your videos are not copyright claimed, otherwise you won't get any money on that in the future. I think I'll be using this one. Rub it in. Now we've come to the end, or near the end, halfway, and this is where you finished adding all the music and you need to save. Done. I wish it was like that in real life, it took ages though. And obviously you're going to upload it to YouTube. Once you upload it, you do want to check either on a desktop or a laptop to make sure it's not copyright claimed. And you're going to see split seconds of it uploading, and once it's done you're going to upload your thumbnail that we already did. And for me, I had to schedule it for the next day, so that's what I do. I upload it every day at Monday, Friday at 11 AM, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm just editing the video, put in the description, and voila, basically. Hi guys, I forgot to mention this. Also, when you upload your video, you just want to make sure you go to YouTube and say that it's not made for kids, or if it is, type obviously yes, save changes, and let that refresh. And then you're literally going to, I hope you guys can see this, then you're literally gonna, oh my god, what is going on? Okay, literally gonna scroll to end screen and put the end screen on. I always choose this one, so literally gonna click it, and then it's just gonna come up and press save. Or unless you want to play the video from where it is, which it will. Play the video. Oh, end screen elements won't display on this page for private videos. Okay, you're just gonna have to go with the flow and press save. As well as, don't forget to add cards in, like I'll show you. Video will load, and I normally go to the first minute or about 30 seconds, because even though, like, look, you can see me. Even though the video is, like, as I say, look, what, 7 minutes and 36 seconds, people won't stay for more than a minute, so you have to grab their attention. So in that time, obviously add a card, and it has here a poll, channel, video. I normally put the video and my recent one. Create, and then just before it ends, so about 6 minutes in, add another card, create another video, done, create card. And then about like halfway through, let's say 5 minutes or 3 minutes if people stay that long, add a poll to say, have you subscribed? I'm very bad at spelling. And obviously the options are always going to be yes, not no, yes, or almost. So you're not really denying the fact, you're just saying almost or yes. Create card. Done. Says when you finished, close this tab. Close. Go back to the video and just make sure everything is looking alright. Scroll up. That's the title. Thumbnails in, as you saw, and everything. So we've added to a playlist. I've scheduled it for tomorrow, so I don't have to think about it. At 11 o'clock it literally just uploads by itself. End screen is added and cards, I've told them it's not for kids. And the tags will literally be, what should we put? Hashtag skincare. Enter, done. If I think of any more, I can always change it. Save, done. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.